Hi everyone, this is Kijibong Vlog, si Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad gagawa natin reaction video ang Barda compilation. So in one second longer, let's start this reaction video.
Na
Ay, ano to?
nakarely talaga yung career nila dun sa love team. Kasi halimbawa, tignan mo si Barbie.
Okay.
Nung time na sila pa ni Jack, di ba hindi niya naman kinailangan itago si Jack,
Yeah.
even though successful yung love team nila ni David.
True, kaya nga dear, hindi na kailangan mag-fan service ni Barbie kasi nga alam din naman talaga natin na may boyfriend si Barbie during that time. So ang ibig sabihin niya, ang bottom line yan, kung anong nakikita talaga natin in front of camera, genuine yan. So, nang may boyfriend si Barbie, pati si David, genuine yun, yung mga yakapan nila, tinginan nila na para bang uhaw na uhaw sila sa each other. Kaya nasasabi ko din na nang wala ng boyfriend si Barbie, tapos sige pa din sila, genuine talaga yun. Kaya hindi niyo masasabi na wala ang Barda, walang something ang Barda, hindi nakitaan na nag-date ang Barda, and everything. Hindi niyo lang siguro nakita. Charis, Jim, hindi mo lang talaga siguro nakita. Wala ka kasing alam. Totoo lang. Nawawala ka na lang bigla, babalikan na lang na parang tama nga si Jim, hindi siguro bakla ka ng taon. Charis.
Kasi si Barbie is established enough, na hindi niya kailangang mag-fan service na like, she's privileged enough na she's already in the stage of her career na hindi niya na kailangan mag-rely na yung career niya is nakastake sa people thinking na sila talaga ni David. Alam mo yon? Kaya lang, tayong mga wala pa doon.
Ay, tayong mga wala pa doon.
Hindi pa tayo Barbie Forteza. We rely on it so much. And it's sad. Sana we don't have to, but the reality is, we do.
Yeah. She was already Barbie before Barda kasi. Kaya she had that, kaya niyang may boyfriend siya and meron din siyang love team at the same time.
Yeah.
And people already knew, kasi public yung relationship niya with Jack, even before siya magkaroon ng love team with David. And parang
David.
a lesson to the Filipinos that you can be an actress and be in a love team even though you have like a personal life.
Honestly,
Diba?
sobrang refreshing talaga nung yung that Barda. And even though di na sila ni Jack, parang ang refreshing lang talaga.
Na
nung-
makakita ng
Oo.
gano'n.
Ay, okay.
Pero bakit kailangan kapag love team, magjowa kayo, no? Ganun kasi yung gusto ng mga tao. Di tapos pag nalaman nila na hindi, kasalanan
I
nyo.
think kasi yung love team, honestly, I think it's a fantasy. It's a
Si-
fantasy
si
of the
Vince
audience.
Marcelo,
Even me,
tama.
I love teams. Like, I love
Correct.
watching. Parang, ito yung fantasy ko. Yung, oh my gosh, I love these two. So parang, ay, basag trip naman. Di naman sila. Yung ganun, stuff like that. But, you know, you kind of can't blur the line between reality and fantasy. Kasi. So, ayun.
Ako ang mahirap kasi yung culture kasi natin dito sa Pilipinas is that within the industry, we think of love teams as a successful love team is like a surefire way to get famous.
Correct.
Yeah.
Right? So,
Oo.
kapag na-involve tayo sa isang
Oo,
love
din daw
team
sabi
na
ni Akla.
parang biglang ang daming fans, talagang gusto natin i-invest yung buong
Career natin
Oo,
doon,
buong career
diba?
natin.
Kasi, alam mo, sa totoo lang, mag-i-invest ka talaga. Kasi doon pumapasok yung pera eh.
Yun nga, exactly.
Yung endorsement, doon yung
Yes,
friends
but,
eh.
pero paano yung mga...
Di ba?
Pero, sandali lang, paano yung mga personal relationships mo?
Yeah.
Yun nga,
It's so
sabi nga,
hard.
like, it's hard especially para sa mga artista na
Trigger ako dito,
yung parang nakarely talaga yung career nila dun sa love team. Kasi halimbawa, tignan mo si Barbie. Nung time na sila pa ni Jack, di ba hindi niya naman kinailangan itago si Jack, even though successful yung love team nila ni
That's what
David.
I like.
Kasi
That's
si
what I like.
Barbie is established enough, na hindi niya kailangang mag-fan service na she's privileged enough na she's already in the stage of her career na hindi niya na kailangan mag-rely na yung career niya is nakastake sa people thinking na sila talaga ni David. Alam mo yon? Kaya lang, tayong mga wala pa doon.
Tayo na parang wala pa
Hindi
doon.
pa tayo Barbie Forteza.
True.
We rely on it so much. And it's sad.
Grabe
Sana
yung
we
taas
don't
ng
have
tingin nila
to,
kay
but
Barbie,
the
no?
reality is, we do.
Yeah.
Ayun.
She was
Understood.
already Barbie before Barda kasi. Kaya she had that parang ano ba tong, what's the right term na kaya niyang may boyfriend siya and meron din siyang love team at the same time.
Yeah.
And people already knew, kasi public yung relationship niya with Jack. Even before siya magkaroon ng love team with David. And it's just actually parang a lesson to the Filipinos that you can be an actress and be in a love team even though you have like a personal life.
Honestly,
diba?
sobrang refreshing talaga nung yung that Barda. And even though di na sila ni Jack, parang ang refreshing lang talaga.
Na
nung-
makakita ng ganon.
Feeling
Kasi
ko
it's
nga,
the first
ano eh.
time. It's the first time
Feeling ko nga nakatulong pa yung yung aspect nung may jowa si Barbie kasi 'di ba naging meme pa nga yung anti-selos club.
Yes.
Parang mas
Pero hindi
dumadagdag
ka
ng
sure kung
fire
hindi
dun sa
nagselos.
love.
Charet.
At saka they still respect, di ba? Na,
Oh, yeah,
na
yeah.
meron siyang partner, tapos meron siyang love team. So, sana ganon.
Sana
Going
ganon.
forward.
Parang ibig sabihin lang
I
nun,
agree.
parang pag para sa'yo, para
Para
sa'yo talaga.
sa'yo, yes. Parang I don't see, kasi we know, ang daming love team before na ngayon nawala. Kasi nag-break sila. Or hindi nag-work yung relationship nila, so they have to, di ba? So yung sa akin lang, kung kaya pa naman ituloy nung
Anyways.
What did you learn from that relationship?
Kahit na may karelasyon ka, always make time for yourself.
Always
Make
for
time
yourself.
to spend it with yourself. Ganyan. Karoon ka ng me time. Para din may sarili kang identity. Makilala mo yung sarili mo outside the relationship. Even if you are in a relationship. Para din ikaw sa sarili mo, nag-grow ka. Kahit nasa isa kang relasyon.
Okay. Asa si Barbie dyan? Ay, ito ate Boots ang sunro. Ay, David.
Alam mo ba kung bakit naghiwalay sina Jack Roberto
Bakit?
at Barbie Forteza?
Naku, tigilan mo. Tagal na yan. Ay, naalala ko to. Si Mami, is that Mami Hermie? Oh, Mami Hermie nga. Ayan. Nawin healing.
Pero bakit kailangan kapag love team, magjowa kayo, no?
Ay.
Ganun kasi yung gusto ng mga tao. Tapos pag nalaman nila na hindi, kasalanan
I
nyo.
think kasi yung love team, it's
Okay. Ay, kailan to? Ganda ni Barbie. Parehas sila ni dyan, ni David na yung coat. Tapos marami nagsasabi na magkaiba daw. Hindi yung magkaparehas na magkaparehas. Paano naman? Okay.
Talagang sa'yo na lang di makaporma. Kahit ano pa yung suot ng mga bling. Sa mata ko makinang ka pa rin. Kaya nakasalamin, nakatingin, di halata They love together. Baby, you are thinking of him. Why do I love you? Don't even want to. Why do I love you?
Ay, hello. Hello, Barbie. Anyway, so this is our for today's video from Barda Compilation. This is Kate Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!